Hello, David here, and the project for today is Cerakoting a block of aluminum. This is my first time Cerakoting. I've never done it before, so let's see if it's possible to do it at home. First step is degreasing. I'm going to put it in acetone. You can use dish detergent or simple green or acetone. And it's got to sit in this for 30 minutes. I'm going to squeeze around the sides with a bungee cord to bring the level up, and then I'm going to seal off the top of this so it doesn't all evaporate. See how it looks after 30 minutes? Next step is to air dry and then mask off any areas that you don't want Cerakoted. And then after that, it's on to the media blast. At this point, you can't touch it with bare hands. You have to use nitrile gloves because the acetone removed any oils from the metal, and you don't want to get any oils from your fingers onto the metal because that could ruin the ability of the Cerakote to stick. I'm going to blast with 100 grit aluminum oxide. My air compressor is set to 90 pounds per square inch. And I'm going to be wearing a respirator, so I won't be able to do any talking. The next step is called gas out. I got my shop oven warming up. Supposed to get it up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and let it cook in there for 60 minutes. Take it out, let it cool. Look for any signs of oil that have leached out through the pores. There could be oil deep in the pores of the metal, and you won't see it unless you heat it up to open the pores. So that's the reason for the gas out. It's been an hour. I do not see any oil residue. I'm going to let it cool off, and then I'm going to blow it with some compressed air to get any blasting media out of there. I'm using Armor Black. Got to shake it for 5 to 10 minutes. I got my gram scale. I'm going to add that to the glass bottle, and Cerakote has a website for a calculator for how much catalyst to add, so I'm just going to follow their website. Whatever I come out with grams here, plug that into the website and they'll tell me how many grams of the catalyst to add. I'm going to be using this Iwata airbrush, and I don't recommend it because it's not high volume and it only does spot. I recommend that you get a high volume production paint gun that does spot and a wide fan. I think it'll go quicker. I think it's going to go slow with this thing. I hope it works all together. I have to bring this to 6813. I'm 1/10 of a gram over. Supposed to mix it for a minute with a glove covering the bottle. Strain it through the appropriate strainer. So I gave it 2 coats. 2 coats is what it needs, and I have all that paint left over. I didn't even have to refill the reservoir. Pretty much used everything that was in there. It has to sit for 15 minutes before it goes into the oven, and I'm going to use this time to clean off the airbrush. Can't reuse this, it's already got catalyst in it. You got to throw it away. You can't add it to the fresh Cerakote, it's going to spoil it. It turned out that that airbrush wasn't so bad after all. Kind of happy with the way it performed. 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. Been 2 hours. The fan motor started knocking about 45 minutes ago, so I had to shut that off. Whoops. Good thing it's cured. Should be no scratches on that. Yeah, I'm very pleased. You're not focusing, are you? Okay, let's let it cool. Isn't it odd? It's been more than 2 hours and the Cerakote hasn't solidified yet. It's still liquid. I know it can't be used. I'm going to discard it. Once you use an oven for Cerakote, you can't use it for food because Cerakote is toxic and you don't want that in your food. Not only does it cause cancer in California, but it causes cancer all over the world. See what happened to the fan motor. The armature bent. Maybe my weld has warped. I need to take it out and re-weld that. Or get another fan motor. Anybody got a used fan I can use? Now that it's cooled off and I can handle it, I could see what I missed. There's a line in there that the Cerakote didn't get. And there's a spot. Can't find it. I got some grease on it here from the old oven. Should have used oven cleaner, huh? Overall, I'm satisfied. It looks pretty good. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.